Mastering on, a key to dates and days. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to unlock a crucial aspect of English language learning. We are exploring the world of prepositions, and more specifically, we're going to focus on how to use the preposition on for specific dates. Using on correctly can make your English communication much smoother and more natural, especially when you're talking about dates and days. The preposition on plays a pivotal role in the English language. It is often used when referring to specific dates or days of the week. For instance, we say, I was born on March 5th, or I have a meeting on Friday. The preposition on here is used to show a specific point in time. When you're using on with specific dates, you need to place the preposition before the date. Let's see this in action with some examples. On the 4th of July, we celebrate Independence Day in the United States. My sister is getting married on December 12th. You see, on is used to connect the action with the specific date. It is also worth noting that on is used with specific days of the week, like, I will visit my grandma on Sunday. While using on for specific dates is pretty straightforward, there are some common mistakes learners tend to make. Incorrect. I have a dentist appointment at Tuesday. Correct. I have a dentist appointment on Tuesday. Remember, we use on with days and dates, not at or in. Now, it's time for some practice. Try to create your own sentences using on with specific dates. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. That's it for today, folks. I hope this video has shed some light on how to use the preposition on for specific dates. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect in language learning. Happy learning and see you in our next video.